Here is the key remote for your Honda Accord. We need to take off this one screw. For that you will need a small Phillips head screwdriver, a very small one, 00, number 00. That's the size of the screwdriver. Get it right over there and push it down and then twist it left. That way you avoid stripping the screw when you take it out. Twist it left, get the screw out. It's a very small screw, so keep it somewhere safe and do not lose it. Once the screw is out, you will need to get a flathead screwdriver, put it right over there in that slot, and then give it a firm twist. That's going to pry that remote open. Maybe take a couple tries. Once it's open, use the screwdriver to pry it open the rest of the way, and it's open. That's the battery right over there. Get the screwdriver and hold the remote the way I'm holding and pry it out from the side I'm showing, and the battery comes right out. Let's take a closer look. The battery size is CR1620. Check the link in description to buy the new battery from Amazon. The plus side is marked with the plus sign, negative side has no markings. On the remote itself it says that the plus sign should be downwards. So when you put the battery in, make sure the plus is facing down. If you put it the other way, it will not work. So get it in place and then press it down to secure it. This looks good. Now let's just put the two parts together. Press them together. And now let's just put the screw back in, and then let's tighten it down. Just get it tight enough, do not over tighten it, it's a small screw. Let's try this out. It's working fine, and that is pretty much it. Before we go, let me give a quick shout out to Naya Motors Inc. for letting us use the car today to film the videos. They are a used car dealer here in Ottawa, Canada. Check out the link in the description for their entire inventory.